Hi. On the far left side of this picture, you can see the soot from a leaking exhaust manifold on the passenger side of my F-150 back in 2013. This is what, over a 2-month period, the exhaust gases can do, corrosive as they are, to a port. Well, recently I found some old files that I never used in a video, and that's what we're seeing right now. So I decided to use some JB Weld, which is a steel reinforced epoxy, to fill in the low spots on this one port here. The other ones appear to be okay. Up in the left-hand corner, that one stud hole is a particularly decayed spot or degraded spot that I have to repair, fill in. The electrical tape around the studs is there to protect the stud and also the hole and give me something to work against with the JB Weld around those corroded stud holes. So I mixed up a batch of JB Weld, and I'm using a plastic spreader, the type that you use on auto body work, and just using that to very evenly and carefully fill in the low spots with JB Weld.
Here's over here is the worst of it on this side. A little bit deeper in there.
I also did this in stages. In some of these areas that are deep, I let it set and then put another layer in there in order to fill them up. It's better than one thick layer.
I'm going to carefully add a little here to around the studs.
I'm going to speed this up a little bit just to, in the name of not boring you, but this is the important part of the job, applying it very carefully.
Okay, so I'm getting the surface ready here. What I've done is put the JB Weld on here, and now I'm just filing it down so it's nice and flat, flush with the port here. And I've had to put several layers of this on in order to fill the holes up all the way. I want the surface to be at least as close as possible to the original machining.
So 7 years have gone by since this repair. I'll throw up a little link if anybody has an interest in taking a look at how what the ordeal this job was. But the JB Weld, it held. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.